In this video we're going to talk about the opacity and fill of a layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer by clicking the type tool, and I'm going to click on my canvas and I'm going to type just some text. So now I have some text. I'm going to go ahead and hit the move tool and move this around. Now you can see I have my new layer. This game is fun, but let's say I want it a little bit transparent and maybe I want it bigger. So one of the ways I can make it a little more transparent is by changing the opacity. I'm going to drop that down to 20%. Now you can see it is almost like a watermark. And then if you made it bigger, you could really have some fun with making this this layer. You can do some really cool stuff with it. So I'll make it really light and I just have a portion of it, and then if you duplicated the layer, you know, you can get really crazy with what you're doing. Maybe we move it over here. This is how, I don't know if you've seen some of these designs that have all this different text, but this is what it does. And as you notice that the opacity is 12% on both of these, but when they overlap they amplify, so that'd be 24% rather than 12. So that is how you use opacity, and you can do that with anything. You can do that with a image, so I can bring that way down. You can do it with text. You can do it with pictures. So that just changes how transparent your layer is. So, and just remember, as you create new layers, if you have that down and you duplicate it, it's going to be a small layer like that. So that is, or a layer that is very transparent. So that is how you use opacity. In the next video we'll talk about the fill and go from there.